carrot comes in lots of different colours. Boiled, pureed, grated, fried, steamed, stewed, baked, juiced, mashed, made with coleslaw or eaten raw. It's all very well that we know that it's good for your eyesight. It's all very well that we know that eating too many carrots can actually turn your skin yellow. But the question that we really all want to know is, can you make carrot wine? So I decided to go with organic carrots from a local grower because they've got really good flavour. And so I've already washed those. So the question is, how much carrots am I going to use? This much. I want this to be, if I'm doing carrot, I want it to be really carroty. So 4 kilos. The bag I'm going to use, I'm thinking I'm going to boil it, is this one, which is... So, I'm going to chop. These are actually meant to be... I'm going to chop all the carrots. Chop all the carrots. Chop all the carrots. Premise is basically not only boiling water goes in, avoid all contamination from thermometers and rehydrating yeast, etc. But then at the end, I still have to use the siphon tube, which goes kind of against the theory. So I put in 4 kilos of sugar. Okay, so now it's just down to waiting for roughly 24 hours until we get down to a reasonable temperature. 4 kilos of sugar. Chop all the carrots. 4 kilos of sugar. Chop all the carrots. 4 kilos of sugar. 4 kilos of sugar. 4 kilos of sugar. Okay, that's not unpleasant at all. So it's really buttery. Can't taste any carrots. What's that taste? It's like nuts. Popcorn. Butter popcorn. That's interesting. Now there's nothing bad about this, but it's missing something. It's got the buttery popcorn, but it needs some body in the middle. A little bit of acidity as well. The aftertaste is where you get the carrots. Yeah. Sweet carrots, crunchy kind of taste. It's not terribly sweet, but it's quite dry, which is nice. I think when doing this again, I'll put in some citric acid or lemon juice to get a little bit of acidity, and maybe a generous handful of raisins to get some body into the middle of it. But surprisingly good. Drinkable. Time to move on to test number 2.